Ang init, be. Mabuksan niya yung aircon. Guys, ba't may luma tong hangin ng aircon?
Baka may multo. O, 2010 pa bago nag-iisa. Alika po, bacteria, moths, lahat yun nasa hangin. Aircon cleaning is a must 3 to 6 months. Better airflow, mas malamig, mas healthy. Book your cleaning aircon today. Call us now.